a lot of times customers prefer what they call the Norwegian cuts. When you look at the, actually I should bring one of these in as well at some point. The salmon fillet has got different sections, like there's, like, if you guys have probably covered butchering, stuff like that, and you've got the rump at the back, you've got the loin, you've got the fillet, the skirt. The salmon has got similar parts as well. And the Norwegian cut is basically anything that's sort of the middle, not a collar. So, and generally speaking, that is the prime cut when it comes to salmon. But the interesting thing is that one of the parts that I actually like that a lot of people don't is actually the last third. The reason why I like utilizing the last third is that it's, you see how it's even, so it's much easier to cook evenly as a portion, and also it's virtually guaranteed not to have any bones in it as well. So it's like, I actually think that there's a market for, like, if I had kids, I'd probably suggest for them to eat the tails, because the tails never have any bones in it, if that makes sense.
And my trimming now, so I've got the very fatty part of the belly, which I will be marinating quickly in a bit of soy sauce and mirin, and then pan fried, then slice up and turn it basically into the tataki style salmon. Yeah, so I will just and then from there, you know, now I've got it nice and even, and I can determine my portion for the salmon as well. And you can see from the thickness that you can halfway achieve similar portions, which are similar in weight and also like in visual as well. Sometimes you get it like when you start portioning here and you leave the bellies on, you get very skinny cuts here because they are very long because of the belly flap, and you get very wide cuts coming to the tail. So to minimize this and make it all look like more even and more like approachable, here we trim off the belly bits.
Also, a lot of times the wholesalers prefer the bigger fish, but the retailers, they prefer the smaller fish. And the reason why the retailers, and also in particular processors, they prefer the smaller fish is when they portion them, it's like a 120 gram portion of a small fish looks a lot bigger than a 120 gram portion of a 6 kilo fish, because then it becomes really skinny, if that makes sense.
How's the flavor change with the size of the fish?
It doesn't, no. It only starts changing once they start breeding, you know, that's once they start producing eggs, you know.